Hello students, myself is Parminder Singh from Prab Kripa classes. Our today's topic is emerging trends and technologies in cybersecurity. After going through this course, the students will gain an overview of the challenges and threats which are faced by organizations and individuals. The students will explore the evolving nature of cyber attacks and the need for advanced technologies to counter them. The students will learn about emerging cybersecurity threats such as ransomware, social engineering, and zero-day flaw. The students will learn about the technologies which are used by cyber criminals and the strategies to mitigate these threats. The students will also learn about cutting edge technologies that are transforming the cybersecurity domain. These technologies include artificial intelligence, blockchains technology, Internet of Things security, cloud security, and quantum cryptography. The students will also understand that there is need to integrate security measures into the software development life cycle and for methodologies such as development, security, and operations. The students will understand the importance of privacy and data protection in the digital age. They will learn that compliance with regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation and the California Consumer Privacy Act has become a priority for organizations. Overall, this course on emerging trends and technologies in cybersecurity lays emphasis on the point that a lot of changes are continuously taking place in the field of cybersecurity. There is need on the part of the individuals as well as the organizations to stay updated with the latest developments and ideas in the field of cybersecurity so that they also adopt latest technologies and cybersecurity best practices to counter the emerging cybersecurity challenges. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.